Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Android. First, understand that Fortnite is not found directly on the Google Play Store. You will need to download the official Epic Games app. Before you begin, always ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth gaming experience. This check saves time and prevents frustration later on. To start, open your device's web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Navigate to the dedicated Fortnite section and securely download the Epic Games APK file. Remember, you will need to grant permission for installing apps from unknown sources in your Android's security settings. This is a crucial step for a successful installation of the application. Once downloaded, find the APK file, likely in your device's Downloads folder, and tap it to install the Epic Games application. After the Epic Games app is successfully installed, open it and proceed to download Fortnite itself from within that app. This two-step process ensures you get the legitimate game version. You are now ready to launch and enjoy the battle. For the best gameplay, always use a stable, high-speed Wi-Fi connection. This minimizes lag and improves responsiveness. Before playing, close any background applications to free up valuable system resources on your device. Consider adjusting the in-game graphic settings, perhaps to a lower quality, for even smoother gameplay and a more enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.